Alright guys, so a lot of people were asking me, is there a possibility to do a house tour if there's any available spots in here with nothing inside, because it's also a little bit hard to think what you want to put in it, how you want to do it, because we've customized it to how we want to do it. So I might be able to answer your guys' questions today. There's a couple open availabilities. We're not too sure if they're taken or not, but I'm going to try and see if they'll allow me to go inside there, just show you guys a complete floor plan. They were redoing some of the things, so it might be a little bit messy, but at least the house is completely empty. I can take you guys, show you guys around, and you guys can think, oh, if I had this, I could put this there, I could put that there, and then I'll put the developer's information underneath, and then you guys can reach out and get in touch to them, see if they're renting options, buying options, because a lot of people have been asking me for investment properties. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals. Alright, so I'm starting this one in what would usually be my room on my side. Just bear in mind they are still doing lots of renovations here, so there's a lot of things still outside. That's actually my bedroom, directly through there. So we're just going to take you guys around and show you guys what it looks like with absolutely nothing in, and show you guys the floor plan. So this is that. The bathroom, identical, except everything is a mirror image of our one, because it's obviously on the other side of the road. So we will make our way out of this room into the second small room that is on the top. Also, it feels so much smaller that it doesn't have things in, but you can see 2, 4, 6 cupboards. Still, they put all skirtings of towels on the bottom. And then this bedroom, what would be Clayton's, if we were thinking of it in our context. My brain is actually really confused right now how we're working it around, and I thought I would give you first person view instead of having to see my face out the whole time. Then we walk out, and this is the big one. This is the boss's room. This is Kayla's room on our side. You can see the views you get all the way down the complex. Absolutely beautiful. Get such nice lighting. This is our one in front of us, and then obviously if you carry on walking a little bit down, they are joining verandas. Not too sure if they locked or not. They locked. You guys can see I'm wearing my Ghanaian bracelet still because I absolutely love it. We'll make our way down there. And then if you remember on our house tour, Kayla's bathroom was an absolute mess with clothes everywhere, but this is what it looks like. Toilet this side, bath that also doubles up into the shower. Really nice. They all have these slants in them, so you can really relax when you lie back in them. Another towel railing, and you can see another basin in there, but also granite floor to ceiling. Really, really nice. Some more aircon. If you guys want to put a TV up here, you can imagine it. You have your bed there, a massive TV or like a curved TV could be super brilliant, and your aircon right there. Then that would be the top room. Fire extinguishers, lights and everything. As always, my mom is somewhere around this house looking with me, so I'm sure we'll bump into her somewhere along this journey. Oh, that is true. As my mom was saying, on our one we got the exact same type of glass that we put here that formed a wall, because this can be either used as a bedroom, as we've done in our case, but a lot of the time the business people have turned this into offices or an office workspace. You can see there's tons of space to use if you did want to do an office, but I think it's really nice how my mom did it. She ended up putting a wall there, a door there that swings open either single way. So if it's a bedroom or office, it's completely closed off. Has your view out there. And then this is the main bedroom with ensuite bathroom. So this is it here. This is an incredibly big room. 2 aircons. You have an aircon over there, another big aircon over there. Plug points throughout this whole room strategically placed. We've got our main bed here, but you can even put a little coffee table or a little lounge suite in there and put your bed that side. There's more lighting points here. You can see they're doing different lighting points. We think you can even put a projector in there because we have that also. But the same thing in this house is all the lighting is hidden, so it gives it a really nice contemporary feel and contemporary vibe. And then this is your view. You get out the window again of the beautiful palm trees. Just looks so nice. Then we'll make our way around. You can see this main room is massive. You can really have a coffee bar, a little lounge suite, a bed in the end there. There's the aircon again. The outside area we'll go to now, and then the bathroom. The bathroom is a mess, but let's just quickly have a peek inside. Also the white granite all the way top to bottom. The bath, the lighting all the way around, which gives you such nice down lighting when you want to look in the mirror. You can see how I've actually put my microphone on this time, so you guys can hear me super clearly. So I hope you're enjoying this video because I'm loving showing you guys around. But let's get back to the tour. Here's the bath again. You can see the angle at which it's at, so it's just perfect for lounging in there. Then you take a look in here. This is the shower, the glass door. Our shower doesn't get used that much, but you can see it as a massive shower. And then your walk-in closet, which also has air conditioning in there. All the bottoms, which you can fill with shoes, clothing, anything. You can even make this little workstation or put some stuff out. Here's the cupboards again, all of them with 6 cupboards, absolutely massive. Let me just give you guys an open with nothing in there to show you. Absolutely massive. You can hang everything up there, throw other stuffs up there. And then all of them are really nicely lined in the inside with like this cloth, so you don't have to worry about seeing the wood and scratching and everything. That one's a little bit stuck, but they are renovating, so I'm sure they'll get around to do that. But all in all, really, really nice, especially that there's no doors. Walk straight down and straight on in. Then this is the outside area. I'm sure this will be unlocked. You guys have seen it many times from us. We are right over there in it. And also really, really nice, but it's very, very hot outside. But a nice size area if you want to put, I would recommend that we would do, as we've put a chair outside there, a canopy type vibe that you can see if you look through onto our one there, busy stalking us. That is really, really nice. But now we still have one more floor to get to, because that makes up the top floor. You can see what we're saying with the skirting on ours and all the new houses. They've put tiles around it. Our one is still wood, but the tiles look really nice. Obviously it's still a little bit dirty because people are in and out here the whole time, but really, really nice. Make our way to the final level. And then walk down. This is where we have as our storage room. You can see all the way down, little light, and around the corner, back down there. Then what is this room in our house? This is our dining room. This would constitute our dining room with some more there. A nice outside area. As we said, we're working on it, so the grass is all dead in that corner, but really, really nice nonetheless. Then the kitchen, super nice kitchen again, double fridge doors. You got a microwave, a stove, granite countertops everywhere, all the way along. Really nice stove, extractor fan, all in stainless steel. And then the wood, the finishes, some more aircon intercom to talk to the house there. And then this is just the main area that we have the 2 lounges in. Really, really nice. This is a slightly darker wood than we have in ours, but really, really good finishes. Looks absolutely stunning. Some more air cons. I'm just going to quickly show the garage because we haven't shown the garage in any of them. And then if we have a look in the garage, you can see really big garage. We've got a double fridge in our garage also. And then if we just go around the back here, if I just unlock this very quickly, it's a push, not a pull. And then this is the room where you can have your dryer, washer, and another little separate door you open. Up here, your geyser, and then this leads straight onto the outside of the house. So let's just close all of this up. And then hopefully this gave you guys a much better idea of the floor plan of the houses without our stuff in it, and just give you a really good look around. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. It was so much fun to be able to just walk around the house, because obviously we've been living here a year and a half, so you forget exactly how it feels without everything in the inside. It felt so much smaller that without our own things in, and even though it's the same floor plan and everything, it's a complete reversal. So like I walked up the stairs, thought, okay, I'd go this way, which would be my room, but actually I'd have to go that way. So it was a little bit confusing at first, but I just really wanted to show you guys because some people are asking for it, and I appreciate you guys' support and feedback. So I listened to you guys and then gave you guys that. So really hope you guys enjoy the video. The guards open up, let us walk around, show everything. As like we said, it is a little bit dirty because they are doing work and everything in there. But I want to thank you guys all so much for the support. Smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals and I'll see you guys tomorrow.